gay bar on Thirsty Thursday. So he doesn't get money. I go, he's the show. It's called Big Bird and Friends, dude. So it's like pitch black at the gay bar, right? So picture this: you're at the gay bar, pitch black. Okay, so Sesame Street song comes on, lights shine up. It's Brandon in a tree or cage being lowered down.
Those fucking
Yellow feathers, smoke is coming down, dude.
Here, just in case.
Big Bird.
Why do you talk about it like I'm gonna go watch this? Where's it at?
He does. Oh no. What's best is fucking Thursday or Friday. I went to the store to pick up paint. They hadn't heard about it. So I got to tell them the story.
And Bird was taking all the shit laugh.
That's why he had money.
Make sure the extra one if you want to feel.
On Thursday, dude. Took Friday on the coop.
That's why I like